by which you can get ahead of 99% of the people in the world. Number 1, according to a study, if you can just dedicating 100 hours to any field. This means that even if you spend 20 minutes a day working out, studying, or learning a skill, after a year, you will be ahead of 95% of the people in the world. Most people in the world think that 20 minutes is not enough and they don't have an hour to spare, so they end up doing nothing. Number 2, learn to use your time efficiently. Be a person who works with such focus and dedication that he can complete 4 hours of work in 2 hours, allowing him to invest the remaining 2 hours into something else and stay focused. To stay focused, you can use such techniques like the countdown timer method. Number 3, most people in the world live like consumers, unconsciously chasing things all day, wasting their time and energy. Limit your weaknesses as much as possible and channel your energy into producing something. Number 4, if you want to be at the top in your field, stay up to date with the latest advancements, technology, and research in that field. This way, you can take advantage of information that hasn't yet reached most people. Like this video and subscribe.